So the story starts here, right? For you, at least. With you receive a report from Swedish Match.
Actually, the report I received from the Secretary General of the Commission, that is from the Commission, because Swedish Match in May sent the report to President Baroso, not to Olaf, actually. They sent it to Baroso,
right,
who was the president, like saying, look, one of your guys, commissioner, the president of the commission, is the one in charge of health, apparently asked for a bribe for changing the legislation. They wanted to change the legislation, of course, but they didn't want to pay. They say it's.
Did we tell the audience that the bribe was for 60 million?
60
million euros.
Yeah,
crazy.
It looks a lot, but as Silvio Zammit told the ones he asked for the bribe, it's not that much, because for you, he said, and he was right, it will change completely your economical perspectives and also your value at the stock exchange, etc. Because you can imagine you produce something like the snus that you can sell only in Sweden, 8 million people, and in Norway, 4 or 5 million people. If the ban is lifted, you can sell the same product to more than 400 million people. Yeah. So it's a huge change, actually, because there are no other producers out of Sweden. So for them, it would have been a huge change, a huge gain. And
so you receive this report.
Yeah.
What do you do with it?
Yeah. The report was quite detailed and worrying. Worrying for the Commission, also politically. Can you imagine President Baroso, what could have been thought? He was very worried that this would have destroyed the credibility of the Commission, and especially if the Commission wouldn't have taken any action. So we started an investigation. It was immediately clear, because there was direct evidence. I will detail it if you want, that Silvio Zammit actually asked for this bribe the people from the smokeless tobacco, so the producer of snus. Yeah. Of course, saying that the request is from the commissioner. But it was not that evident at the beginning whether the Commissioner John Dalli was aware or not aware of
what
this
Silvio
request.
is saying.
Okay, exactly. So the point is, was Silvio's scam, where the Commissioner John Dalli would have been a victim, actually, or was the Commissioner John Dalli complicit or instigator of this? Was he behind it?